Yo, these eyes are like dope. Look at it, it's a puppy. I'm gonna play with him. Or some try to touch it. Hello. He's so cute, look at him. I want a doggy. Look. I'm live though too. Yeah. Oh no, you good. Yo, this dude, one of the old school cars came past. He was like, looks like a car you hide weed in. I wish.
Maybe. Watch, you'll see one.
That dude look like a stoner.
If that's how you want to go, then that's how you want to go. I mean, it's cool either way.
Hey, I wish I could. It gives me anxiety.
This is a great turnout.
I know. I just seen like so many.
A little chilly, a little cloudy. You got some really nice cars out here.
Yes, I seen like so many of my dream cars, dude.
Yeah, did you see the Dino over there?
Where? Blue. I wonder if that's the one I said. Look, Jack Russell throwing tantrums.
Oh yeah.
I want a friggin' puppy.
That's a little Dino.
Yeah, I freaking love dogs.
I bring my dog, but he gets compared to all the.
Are you serious? What kind of dog? The what? Hi. No, I was just joking. I don't be harassing people. Well, no, I harass the police. That's all, cause they bother me. And my cousin's a cop, so I harass them. I want to find out what's blue though. I'm like, hey Puma, hold up. Are you going to like Boxer Fest tomorrow? This is like just too much for my life. I gotta go. I'm just gonna keep walking around. I'm gonna find that FD, man. Oh shit! Look at this. Oh shit! What is this? What? Oh! I seen this company. Isn't this the company that like throws like cars in coffee or something, like Glen Burnie or something like that? Oh, there he goes. Mopar is at his best. There he goes. About to go wild out.
I think he's putting his money in the right place, same place I'd like to put it.
Looking for this car, he like told me to look for it. Like I don't see it. What you doing? There he goes. I'm on him. Yo, it's a shit ton of cars here. I never seen one like this. Oh, boo. Yeah, that's what she said. You're good. Where the hell is this FD at? Yeah, they're talking about racing and shit. I understand people like fix their cars up. If you don't want to be filmed, don't fix it up. Like people who film cars. What's up, bruh? Oh. I might have to adjust my camera. Where the hell is this FD at, man? I cannot find this car. Like, I didn't see him park. I didn't see him do anything.
Go right.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that thing right.
It's Surfer.
Did it where him and Ralph were running.
I was getting ready to tell you.
Yeah, okay.
You saw it. I never saw it.
Oh,
they were
okay.
there last year. The sun comes from kind of like friendly TV.
It's for sale. It's for sale for you. Alright. Dude, I'm gonna find this FD. I swear to God, I'm gonna find this FD. Oh shit, there's more over there. Holy hell. Oh my God. There it goes. I was looking all over for this car. There he goes. Hold up. Ooh. Ooh. Hello there. It's got fucking pipes, man.
Don't you put that on my window.
What?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.